Guys, what's up? It's Kyla, and today I'm going to just be doing a really quick video for you guys. I'm going to be making... Kris is playing the game. Let me show you guys. You know, he playing that young original PlayStation. Oh, now he want to be quiet. You guys, really quick. I am going to be using the Elmer's Magical Liquid and some Elmer's Metallic Pink glue. I usually get regular white or clear and just add my own colors and whatever to it, but I wanted to try something different to see how it looks, being that this is metallic glue. I don't know what else you would use this for besides slime. See, right here it says great for slime. So yeah, without further ado, go ahead and get into the video, and you guys won't see me no more. The slime being made with the bowl and the ingredients, 2-ingredient slime. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so the slime is done and I'm going to go ahead and get Kris ready to get his slime started. So, in this part, I told him to wait till I was done getting him ready, and he's over here playing with the slime like he's not supposed to. Like, look at this boy. He got the nerve to try to, he didn't pour it, but he gonna pretend like he thought about it. Yeah, he put it back real quick, but then he got the nerve to drop it. Like, boy, what? Making slime.
What? It's making slime.
Look at our slime, guys.
Hey, he got slime.
Yep, squeeze it.
He got squeeze it.
Squeeze it.
Squeeze it.
Squeeze it.
Squeeze it.
Stretch it.
Stretch
Stretch it.
it.
Stretch it. Look, now throw it in the bowl. Boop.
Throw it in the bowl. Boop.
Boop. Yay.
Yay. We
Okay.
did it.
Okay.
Bye-bye. That's you, my chin. Mwah.